Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a beautiful day in the summer garden. I was talking to my friend Brian Zaglarcy yesterday from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry, and we were talking about different kinds of pours, and we were talking about sandwich pours, which we're going to do today. And he said that he was going to do one too, and I said, yeah, maybe we should do a little mini collab, just a quickie on the fly. And he said, okay, cool. So that's what we're doing today. I have my colors, which I'll show you right now. And I hope after this one, you will go and check out Brian's video because it's a really, really pretty piece. And we're going to paint something quick and easy and a lot of fun, and I hope really, really beautiful. We're using tonight a color I haven't used in a long time. I've had it for a while, but I used it once or twice and I couldn't make it do what I wanted to do. So this is Berry, my very dirty bottle of Berry from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. It's a really, really pretty color though.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit metallic. And then we are using another one that's by DecoArt. This is DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics, but this is soft gold instead of the 24 karat gold. And it is very, very, and you notice written on it.
So it looks just like the other one.
The bottle looks just like the 24 karat gold. So this is all mixed with mixed pour tonight. This lovely stuff. You can get your own mixed pour by emailing Krista8974@gmail.com. So that's cool. This is the soft gold. Leaves a mound on a mound, but then sinks into itself. And I did add quite a bit of water to these tonight. The next one we are using is Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose. And to this one I have added quite a bit of white because I didn't want it this dark, dark, dark pink. Even though that would have contrasted with this, I wanted it light. I wanted it lighter. So we added white to it. The next one I'm using is Amsterdam Bronze, which I really love. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And this is so similar to Golden's Iridescent Copper. It's just kind of amazing. So that's cool. So what we're going to do tonight is a sandwich pour with a very soft, ethereal feel. So sandwich pour means that you pour some white in your bottom of your cup and you just drizzle a few layers of some colors on there, and then you pour a lot more white on top, and then you flip it over, and then you go around your canvas and make some cool composition, hopefully. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to play a little bit though. Okay, so let's start with our layering. This is Amsterdam Titanium White. We're just going to put about 2 ounces in the bottom of this 16-ounce cup. And then we're going to start layering our colors. So the thing with the sandwich pour, when you're using white, it's going to lighten all your colors and sort of give you like a pastel version. So we're going to start with our beautiful berry. Yeah, you ready? Mm-hmm. And we're just going to layer that and a little drizzle on top. Not a lot of paint. Okay. And then I'm going to come in with the, let's do the soft gold first. I'm going to put another drizzle of the soft gold. Not as much. And I'm going to do some of that Quinacridone Rose. Okay, and I'm going to put some of that beautiful Amsterdam Bronze on there. More of that. And then I'm going to do one more layer of berry. Now we're going to put more white on there. Do you think, HOA, should we do another mini layer?
That'd be interesting. Do you have, how about the amount of paint?
Oh, I have way more than that.
No, but I mean, do you have enough paint?
Oh, it's a
to cover
16-ounce
the
cup, yeah. For 20
So
by 20, I need 16 ounces, so I can fill this up. Let's do another layer of berry and bronze, just to see what happens. Fill this up with white the rest of the way. So you start off drizzling it on top because you don't want it to sink. Okay, how's it going, man? Looks like a parfait.
You never heard nobody say, no, I don't like no parfait.
Name that movie. Okay. Alrighty. So I also have another cup of white over here that I'm going to use as a base coat. We're going to thin that out with a little bit more water because it's the same consistency as everything else was. And it's hot here. And as my lovely friend Gina DeLuca likes to say, the sauce may thicken upon standing. So we're going to add some water and thin that out. And several of you have asked me lately what my recipe for using mix pour is. I put about 2 ounces of mix in a 16-ounce cup, and then I add an ounce or 2 of paint, depending on the paint. And then I combine those two really, really well until it's all incorporated, depending on how much paint I actually want or need. For these little ones today, I did not mix up 16 ounces. I probably mixed up 5 ounces of paint. Those are 9-ounce cups, and they were less than half full, so use what you need, you know. Okay, so this seems a little thick. Okay, that's a 20 by 20. I have taped the back and put my push pins in, and I have painted my sides and edges. And we're going to put down this white base coat now. I'm not going to worry about getting it on the sides and edges. I'm mostly going to concentrate on getting it on the top of the canvas. If it rolls over the sides, that's great. If not, I'm not worried about it because they're already painted. And we're going to tilt this out. So we have our double layer Parfait sandwich pour with berry and bronze and Quinacridone Rose and gold.
Right.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass.
Okay, here we go. So there's our sandwich pour flipped. Give that 1 second. Okay, ready, HOA? Okay, that's really pretty. Lots of cells popping up already too, which is really cool. Let's torch this real quick. Okay. So the weight of our paint is mostly over here, it feels like. So I'm going to come over and hook it over this edge first, even though I really wanted to cover that one first. It's just because the weight of the paint is already over there. So we're just going to go over that corner, walking it down nice and easy. And then we're going to come back. Take it back towards the center. And we're going to go towards that opposite edge now. And take care of that side. Okay. I'm going to bring it back towards the middle again. That's really pretty up there. I'll go right this corner now. Bring it back towards the center. That's really pretty.
Mm-hmm. Could you sandwich with another color as the bread?
Yeah, that's one of the things Brian and I were talking about. I guess we'll have to wait and see.
Oh my.
But I like the way you think, HOA. Oh no, go away, fly! Okay, almost there. There we go. I'll take this back to the center again. And then we'll take a look at composition and see what we like and what we don't like. Okay, I don't like that corner. being so solid. Is there any glare?
A little bit. The other way. There.
Okay. I love that. It's so cool. I had a thought.
I thought I smelled smoke.
Some things just never get old, honey.
Nope. That's what she said.
My thought was to take some of these parts that I'm not crazy about the way that it looks and kind of use my smack stick. Now I have to be careful because there's not a lot of paint on here at this moment. It's already stretched pretty thin, but we're going to try it. You ready, HOA?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, that is very thin, but I like that better anyway. Let's see. Any place else that needs it? Maybe just right in here. Okay.
Very subtle.
I want to do one more over here. Okay. That's cool. It's giving us kind of like that gradient. I'm just going to extend that line a little bit more. Do one more through here, yeah? Just sort of following the natural line that's already there.
Oh, you know, wait for me, Top.
Sorry. I get so excited sometimes. Can you go over here one more time? Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to do one more over here. Okay. That's cool. I like that. I'm done.
Are you, though?
I am. And there's just one right there that's a little straight that I don't like, but I'm going to leave it alone. So, this is cool. So this was our layered sandwich pour using the DecoArt Americana Decor Berry, which is very prevalent, and the soft gold, which I think is going to show up more when it's dry, and the bronze, which I really, really like in there, and that lighter pink, which I am very glad that I lightened it up and added white to it, because otherwise it would be very, very loud, and it's already just on the verge of being loud, which is okay, but I think I need to do something over here.
Always with the finger painting.
Finger painting is awesome. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's better. Now I'm gonna leave it alone. I really am done. I will show you guys when this is dry. Okay, so I wanted to show you the dried results from Siren's Cove. This was that really pretty piece that we did with the pearl and the turquoise and that gorgeous light minty green color. So pretty. And the bronze, I love this corner with the bronze. I love all these lines. A little bit of a organic embellishment there. But beautiful lines in this one. I love all these swirls. This part right there almost looks like a mermaid tail edge, dolphin fin. Really pretty stuff. So that one is Siren's Cove. That's a 24 by 30. And I wanted to show you the dried results in the sun. So pretty. Blingy. Beautiful. I'm going to go get the piece from today. Okay, so this is our 20 by 20 sandwich pour, or a little parfait. It came out really, really pretty. I love that beautiful berry color. Is gorgeous against the white with that lighter pink in there. And the soft gold and the bronze. I think the bronze is my favorite, where it sort of mixed with everything. Oh, really, Gail? You're going to start blowing right now? Okay. Hopefully the painting won't fly off the easel. But this one turned out really, really cool. I love this technique. I love that soft ethereal look. I love all the cells that you get. You know, this is a great thing to do if you have some paints left over and you just have a little bit. Mix up a bunch of white, do a sandwich with your colors in the middle, and there you go. Lots of fun. If I had had a little bit more paint on the canvas still, my smack stick experiment would have been more successful. But I do like the way it came out. I'm not sure that I'm crazy about the finger painting parts. Probably could have done without that. But you know, live and learn. This is how you figure out what you like, right? So there is one more piece that I wanted to show you guys. This beautiful bear. I did this for my stepdad for Father's Day. He and my mom live up in the mountains, and there are bears up there, and they like bears, and he is kind of a big teddy bear kind of guy, although he can be a grizzly bear once in a while. But this is using these TLP pigments. I have s'mores in there, I have cappuccino in there, I have sea glass in there, and I love this like outline of the trees, and I love this color shiftiness of one of those secret pigments that I can't tell you about yet. Very cool stuff though, but I really like this bear. So happy Father's Day, Joe. I love you a lot. You'll always be a big teddy bear. So thank you guys so much for being here with us today. I really do appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching our little mini collab. Make sure you go check out Brian Zaglarski from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry, because I know he's done a really, really beautiful piece for you guys too. This was a lot of fun. I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful day. Stay cool. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. And those are the babies.
It's so cute.
I think they're gonna fly soon.
Then you'll be lonely.
They look just like Mama.
In the studio.